With the introduction of Windows 8, Microsoft removed the Start menu and replaced it with the Start screen and Charm bar. If you're completely new to Windows 8 and would like a beginner introduction to the new Start screen and Charm bar, you can click on the link on screen to this tutorial. To complement the new Start screen, Microsoft has added a new menu called the Quick Access menu. The Quick Access menu is intended primarily for computer technicians and power users, as it provides quick access to common system administration tasks. The Quick Access menu brings together system administration type features that were spread all over the place in previous versions of Windows. The Quick Access menu can be opened in several ways. Let's first open to the desktop. The first option is to drag the mouse to the bottom left-hand corner of the desktop. But instead of left-clicking on Start, you right-click instead. The second option is to use the keyboard shortcut of the Windows key plus X. The menu is broken up into two sections. The top section is made up of system and network management tools and utilities. The bottom section contains common options that were previously found on the Start menu. Let's briefly go over the options available in the Quick Access menu. We will review each one, working our way up from the bottom. Desktop. The Quick Access menu can be opened on the desktop as well as from the Start screen. If you are not already on the desktop, selecting this option will bring you there. If you are already on the desktop, this will minimize all open applications. So if you have two open applications, open the Quick Access menu, select Desktop, and it minimizes them. They are both still open. You can select Desktop again to open them back up. Or from the Start screen, you can select Desktop. Run. This will open a Windows Run box. This was previously on the Start menu, and I use it constantly. The Run command is used to open an application by name, or a file or folder by path name. And you can launch applications from here. Search. This will open the search window that will by default have apps selected for searching. You also have the option here to search by settings, files, or search using the individual applications at the bottom. File Explorer. This will open the Windows File Explorer view. This allows you to navigate through the file system and file repositories on the system. Control Panel. This will open the Windows Control Panel, which allows you to control all the Windows system settings. Task Manager. This opens the new and improved Task Manager included with Windows 8. By default, it opens to the minimal information version. There's no running applications, so nothing really shows up here. We can now see Internet Explorer here, and close it if we like. To use the full version, click the More Details button. As you can see, it offers much more granular information here. Command Prompt Admin. This opens a command prompt window as the administrator account. Right above this is just Command Prompt. This opens a command prompt window as the currently logged in user. This account may or may not have admin rights. Computer Management. This will open the Windows Computer Management window. Computer management is a collection of Windows system management tools. Here we can get to the event viewer, shared folders, local users and groups, performance, device manager, disk management, and services. Disk management. The disk management utility is the storage device management utility that manages system disks, volumes, and partitions. With disk management, you can initialize new disks, create volumes or partitions, format volumes, change drive letters, and more. Device Manager. This opens the Windows Device Manager, which is an organized view of all the hardware devices recognized by Windows. Device Manager is used to manage the hardware in your computer like graphics cards, hard drives, keyboards, and other USB devices. It also shows you when there's unrecognized devices in the system. It shows a yellow exclamation point and says Unknown Device. System. This opens the System Properties window. System Properties provides information about the computer system, such as the version of Windows, system type, like 32 or 64-bit, the computer name, and more. You also have the option to make changes to Windows system settings here. Event Viewer. This will open the Windows Event Viewer. The Event Viewer allows you to view detailed logged events on the local or a remote computer. These logs can be invaluable in diagnosing a computer problem. The most useful logs are under Windows Logs, and they are the System and Application Logs. Power Options. This opens the Power Options window, which allows you to adjust the power settings based on performance and energy consumption, and allows you to choose what happens when you close the lid of your laptop, press the power button, or perform other actions like that. Mobility Center. If you're using a laptop, you'll have an additional option showing various mobile app settings in one place, like the display, volume, battery, syncing, and more. Programs and Features. This opens the Programs and Features window. This is the program used to change or remove programs and features that you have installed on your system. I currently only have one program installed on this test system, which is WinDirStat. Although some people are unhappy with the removal of the Start menu, I think additions like the Quick Access menu will greatly improve the workflow for the average computer technician, power user, and average user alike.